I would definitely recommend the program to anyone. If they're not physically strong, I'll still tell them to sign up and try out for it.
It's a great program all around. Everybody fits in, everybody has similar personalities. It's an awesome environment. I've learned so much.
Came into this program not knowing CPR, and I'm leaving with the skill that I'm able to use, hopefully not, but if I do need to use CPR, I know how to use all those first aid skills.
Going to the firefighting industry, I've always had that like in the back of my mind. And my parents actually, they're just like, hey, there's this program, and I know you've kind of been interested, right? This program, it's barely any homework. You're just learning what you want to learn. You create bonds with like your peers. You go from straight strangers to family almost.
Because this program is so physical based and teamwork based, I decided to join to improve my strength, get healthier, and get a taste of what firefighting is like, because it's a pretty important thing in Canadian society and for helping people everywhere.
I would say definitely coming into it with knowing that there's 10 guys and 2 girls, it was definitely a little bit nervous about it, but they've been honestly some of the nicest guys I've ever met in my life.